Hi, Christian. I really enjoyed looking at your presentation. This treatment up here is really charming, and it's a lesson to everybody that Bevel and Boss drop shadow doesn't cut it. You got to go above and beyond with type effects now to make them stand out and look professional, and you've done that. It's really great. I only had a couple comments for you. By the way, I love this so much. Great combination. And I like how you've made each subhead bold so it's easy to skim through. I think these paragraphs are a little big. That's hard to read, big blocks of type online. If you can edit them down to about half of that, I think it'll be easier to take in. And then this little space here looks strange because it's not by the circle anymore. So my only comment was about this infographic. So I recommend, I think it's just too tight here between Pemberton and Only. I would take all of this whole left block and move it over just a couple centimeters and then probably not change this at all. You just need a little bit more space. It's too crowded right there. But anyway, the rest of it, yeah, see right here I would left align that and then cut the paragraph down. Also, the kerning here is a little wide between the T and the W, and the rest of it looks good, but might move everybody over to the left a little bit. Same with the I. Move that over just a hair. And then, oh, I just love that F. So cute. So those really are my only final comments. Beautiful work.